Hey everyone, I will be removing the chrome out of my truck today in this part on the rear, on the tailgate. So I'm going to remove the chrome from the actual Ford logo and then this chrome piece right here. I will do some updated videos once I tape and once I lay down the thin coats and then the wet coats and then the final product, so stay tuned. All right guys, so here's the taped area. I'm still trying to figure out what the best way to tape is, but it seems to be working so good. Good so far for me. To clean the area, I use auto glass cleaner, then I use some alcohol, and then obviously I use my pre-dip spray, and we're going to be using the HyperDip frozen black. I'm going to be blacking out my whole truck. So again, here's the messed area. We're gonna go with 5 light coats and then 6 wet coats. I will do an update on the first coat and the 5th coat and then the end. All right, stay tuned. All right guys, so this is the first thin coat. That's pretty much it. I'll do another 3 of those. I take about 5 minutes in between, and then we'll go to the heavy coats. All right guys, so I got 4 thin coats on here. I'm going to start with the wet coats. So we're gonna put 6 wet coats on this thing. All right, so we got 5 more wet coats to go. I'll be back with the final result afterwards. All right, so this is the final result here. I still have to peel the excess HyperDip, but it came out really well. I will do a very short video after I finish, and that's it. All right, so there it is. Now I'm just gonna decide if I want to peel the non-chrome part around the Ford board or not. I don't know, maybe you guys can decide and let me know what you think. Should I keep it all the way black or have the blue showing through? All right, hope you liked this video, and till next time.